Okay, hey everybody. This is a 2014 Toyota Tundra, and I am replacing the strut for the tailgate. So what used to happen was the tailgate would just not slam down, but pretty close to slam down, and it was because this guy was old. So I went onto Rock Auto and purchased this strut, and you can see it's installed. It's pretty easy. So there's a T30. Let me double check. Yep, T30 here. And that removes the screws that hold in the tail light. And then you can see these here. These go into the side. So what happens is after you take the screws out, the tail light comes out to the side, and then you have access. So these connectors here, if you haven't used them before, you essentially want to get behind. I'll point to this one. You essentially want to get behind there with like a flathead. Kind of like this. Then you can twist, and then that releases the nipple that looks just similar to that. And then you just pull it out. And to put it on, you essentially just push the new one on. I attached the bottom first, and then I lifted the tailgate because it comes extended. It's compressed right now. So you can lift the tailgate, and that moves the arm. So then you can attach the one up top, and then you just reverse the process to put the tail light on. So this will come up. These tabs will go through these holes. This will come up nice and flush. Put the bolts back in here, close the tailgate, and you're good to go.